$50 in a week. This is how much I earned when I started affiliate marketing on DigiStore 24. Today, we'll show you how to make $50 or more a week. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be discussing a real case study about how to earn money on DigiStore 24. DigiStore 24 is a popular e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to sell digital products and services online. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and strategies that have proven to be successful for earning income through DigiStore 24. We hope that by the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to effectively use DigiStore 24 to generate income for yourself or your business. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. The very first thing we talk about is what kind of product you should choose. Who among us does not like to receive gifts? Do you know what's great about gifts? That they are free, so the person who receives them doesn't have to pay anything when they receive them. That is why the best product you can choose is a gift that costs nothing. You are probably wondering now how to do that. Now, you have to go to the top of the marketplace and select the category of business and investment. Then go to languages and choose German. Now a series of books will be suggested to you. The trick with these books is that you don't have to pay anything for their book, so it is even more attractive. I developed this strategy some time ago when I was still saving a little money. So you must know that the strategy also requires a small initial capital, but if you don't have the money for this strategy, don't worry, because I will soon release a video on how you can get free traffic. This strategy is divided into 3 steps. The first step is to create a website. I used Webador because they allow you to create a website in seconds, and they have very cool features. With the link in the description, you get 3 months for only $1. Now, I will show you how I created such a website in a few minutes. First of all, you need the product image. After you have downloaded the product image, go to remove.bg and remove the background. Next, you upload the image and take the title of the product. Next, you write a short description of the product. I realize that not all of us can speak German, but luckily we have the internet. You can copy the product description and translate it on deepl.com. Now you change a few things in the description. It's best to let an AI rewrite it. Now, you have to translate the English version of the text into German, and your description is ready. To make your product more attractive, I have written the regular price, so 18 euros, and replaced it with the words, today. Now, you have to add your affiliate link. To do this, you place a button under the price and write, Jetzt bestellen, which means order now. Then you press add link and add your link. Now repeat this process with all your links until you are done. You can design your website the way you want. Webador allows you to create a fantastic and creative website. Now, we come to the second part of the video. For our strategy to work, you need to link your website to a domain. You can purchase a domain easily from providers such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. I prefer Namecheap because they have very good service, friendly staff, and at low prices, very good domains with many alternatives. Now, pick a domain, buy it, and transfer it to your website. You just have to go to Webador, then Settings, click on Domains, and then Connect. Now we come to the last point. Where and how can I promote it? Well, when I was making money with this strategy, I used Facebook as my advertising platform. You can use any other platform like Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, etc. Now you go to your Facebook account and start an advertising campaign. You add a picture or a video, write a little text with it, and target your target audience. So, in our case, people from the German-speaking area, and you can start your campaign. Now you ask yourself, how can I do that? Here, you have a few tips from me on how to professionally design your advertising campaign. To create the image for your campaign, you can use Canva. Link in the description. You can simply choose Facebook ad as a template and then make something simple within a few minutes. For you to write a professional text, I would personally use ChatGPT. You can, with a simple command, acquire a complete, free text from the write. For example, write me an advertising text about how great it is to read books and that you should take the chance to order our offer of free books. And German, you can translate the text again and correct it, rewrite it, etc. Now, you have all the useful things for your campaign: a website associated with a domain, an image or video, an advertising text, and the right geographical settings. Next, you should set a daily budget. I would set €2 per day, because from my experience for the beginning is quite enough. Now, you ask yourself, how do I even make a profit with this strategy? There are so many things that need to be paid for. Well, said from the beginning that you need money for this strategy. The things you need to pay money for are WebDoor and your domain, and for both, you will find the best offers in the description, so you save money. And about advertising, if you spend €2 a day on advertising, it's about €60 a month. But if you sell a book every day, so €5 income, then you get €3 profit per book. Imagine you sell 2, 3, maybe even 4 books a day, then quadruple your income. Of course, it is not easy to make so much money right from the start. Personally, it took me over a week to win my first money with this strategy. You have to analyze the company every day to find out how most people react to the ad and optimize more and more over time to make more sales. And if you have already started to make a profit, you can increase your daily budget and at the same time increase your sales opportunities. Stay patient and disciplined, and soon you will see your first income. Now, you know how to earn your first money. As already mentioned with the links in the description, you will get the best deals for the strategy. Work hard and believe in yourself, and you will make it. If you have any questions about this strategy, then post them below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.